After we create a quote template, now we can use that one to build a quote. Quotes always include line items selected from active and available products listing in Salesforce. Quote line items can also generate opportunity products on a opportunity page layout for upselling. So how can we build a quote? So click on opportunities, go to any of the product, click on new quote link, give the name S0001, status in preview, the date is 28th, save, quote is created. Now go to the quotes, click on this. Now we need to add the quote line items. Click on add products. So here I'm taking the standard one, click on save. So these are the products, standard products available to us. Now what we have to do, just select some of the products. You can select any of these products, click on next, and here you can give the product quantity. So I'm just giving 5. If you want to give any discount, you can give the discount over here and click on save. That's it. So 3 records were updated. That's why we can build a quote.